Hey traders, in this video, we're talking about overtrading in Forex, what it really means, and how to avoid it before it blows up your account and your mindset. I'll unpack the idea in plain language, give everyday examples, and share practical ways to slow things down and get back to quality trades. What does overtrading mean? Overtrading is when you trade too often, take too much risk, or both. Usually because emotions are driving decisions instead of your plan. It can mean opening lots of trades in a short time, oversizing positions, stacking highly correlated pairs that effectively creates one huge bet. Let me give some typical overtrading scenarios. Common triggers include revenge trading after a loss, chasing every small move because you don't want to miss out in quotes, or spending so long at the charts that you start seeing signals that aren't really there. Traders also overtrade by loading up on correlated pairs like EUR/USD and GBP/USD at the same time, thinking they're diversified when they've actually doubled their exposure. How can you avoid overtrading? Have a written trading plan with clear entry, exits, and fixed rules, and only take trades that match that plan. Limit the number of trades you can take per day or per week. Take breaks after big wins or losses, and reduce screen time so you're not manufacturing setups out of boredom or frustration. It's also important to stick to your strategy and trading plan, regardless of whether or not there's a current setup for you to take a trade. Another important factor in trading is the ability to wait until the perfect setup in order to minimize your risks and exposure. You can read more about overtrading and practical ways to avoid it using the link in the description below. If this helped you recognize some of your own overtrading habits, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your experiences or questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.